Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining this session. I'm Wei from ZTE Core Network Planning team. Today, I'd like to share a solution about ZTE converged voice, that is, IMS-based One Voice Solution. As we know, benefiting from the improvement that 5G can bring us, such as much better throughput, less delay, more reliable connections, and so on, it is for sure that voice and message service that we enjoy today will keep on evolving in multiple ways. Operators are looking for a unified and any access voice call to introduce enriched voice and message services such as ultra-high definition video calling, immersive video communication like AR, VR, interactive communications like remote training, maintenance, etc. And we also see more players such as consumers, operators, partners, and verticals are involved in the field to create new innovative services, which may extend from people to people to things, and even things to things. At the same time, with the deployment of 5G, more and more network functionalities are inevitably to be there for voice interworking, which makes operation and maintenance more complex. So since IMS is still there for voice and IP messaging, with the advent of 5G, we have to tackle down all these challenges with a future-proof voice and messaging solution, which is access-independent and responding faster to any changing situations. In responding to these new challenges to the 5G multimedia services, ZTE envisioned a unified voice call platform is needed as shown in this slide. The One Voice Solution is based on a modularized IMS, including converged access, control, and service layer. The solution enables consistent voice, message, and other services on any fixed 3G, 4G, 5G, or Wi-Fi network as the successor of legacy CS or soft switch network. With the converged user data, policy, and session control, converged service layer, the one-for-all voice solution helps to simplify the overall architecture. And with the dynamic scaling capability based on load and flexible resource sharing between the different access networks, the One Voice Solution will maximally reduce the investment for operators. ZTE One Voice Solution also provides the highest possibility to integrate with both legacy structure and new innovative applications. In addition, a comprehensive toolkit is included for end-to-end tracing and intelligent troubleshooting within One Voice Call. Hence, to make the whole solution more open and more easier to maintain. ZTE One Voice Solution includes all the key elements from signaling plane to media plane. When we look into the converged control layer, converged access, session control, and service consistent control will be provided in this solution. As the first contact point to One Voice Call, firstly, a converged access which masks all the differentiation from different access technology will be there. For mobile or fixed accessing, saying access security control, session control, routing, service trigger, and continuing mechanism will be applied in session and service layer. Hence, to ensure same user experience for 2, 3, 4, 5G, Wi-Fi, and fixed users. Here we come to the media plane. Media layer plays an important role when it comes to IoT between inner or inter-carrier MS network and other network. In one voice call, ASBC MGW for access media plane and ISBC for IoT media plane will be proposed in the solution. ZTE will provide field-proven virtualized session border controller and media gateway with improved IP routing capability and media processing capabilities. ZTE adopts modularized philosophy for media plane. It means well-defined self-contained components can be reused to build different VNFs with distinct roles, such as MGW or SBC, and sharing the common underlying cloud infrastructure. What's more, during live deployment, ZTE supports session border controller with bearer and signaling control separation for more flexible networking. And GPU FGBA-based hardware acceleration is included to enhance transcoding and media plane IOPS performance. For service layer, ZTE Task Plus is a virtualized carrier-grade and open telephony application server and service broker combination that provides network operators service experience continuity for both traditional and VoIP subscribers. Besides the legacy supplementary services such as call forwarding, call number display, IP-centrics, and so on, the Task Plus solution enables operators to offer a full suite of revenue-generating services, including VPBX, call center, multi-line number, and so on. This service combination is applicable for 3, 4, 5G, and fixed users. And the module design of different service blocks will make service creation faster, less costly, and more flexible. Besides the service parity capability, ZTE One Voice Solution also supports AS API for customer to create a new MS-based feature-rich services. The RESTful API enables third-party developer to customize new services based on existing service capability, such as number transformation, multi-party call within the MS environment. Hence, to meet the ever-changing demands of our customers. Let's see an example. When calling number display and restriction functions is introduced in live network. After a third-party app provider can access a developer based on number display and restriction function of MS. When you book a taxi by the third-party app and makes a call to agent or the booked driver, user can choose to use anonymous calling number, hence to protect the privacy. This openness helps operators to benefit from a flexible service layer and no longer rely exclusively on traditional vendor R&D release cycle for service creation. After talking about the service capability, let's focus on maintenance. Due to the complexity of MS architecture, troubleshooting is always a challenge within MS and peer nodes. Rely on the deployment of ZTE Magic system. ZTE will provide a web-based tool to provide unique insight into the performance of whole MS network. By troubleshooting, KPI optimization, voice quality monitoring function, this tool is lightweight enough for flexible delivery and smart enough to locate the problems. Let's see one typical scenario. Upon reception of a user complaint, you can enter the user number and time in the MagiCai web client to query for the failure causes and the most value of the call during the query timeline. A MagiCai will display the failure code of this call and the linked network elements arrow. And based on the most value analysis and related QoS parameter related to this call, user can check the possible media plan arrow. ZTE MagiCai has been deployed in China Mobile, Telenor, Telefonica, and helps customers to quickly locate issues and optimize the voice of network. Okay, in the next slide, let's see 2 user cases about how mentioned solutions are deployed in our partners' network. This first use case is a converged MS call for H3A. We can see that the existing voice is provided separately by a CS, a legacy MS, and an NGN network. As the prevail of 4G and the coming of 5G, H3A has chosen ZTE MS to build on a fully modernized and integrated MS network as a unified access accession control. The solution is based on commercial NFV deployment of MS and EPC, offering a carrier-grade VOBB, VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling service, ICS service, and EPS fallback service for the coming 5G users. As a result of the development, H3A can provide a supreme and same user experience for users from 3, 4, 5G and fixed or Wi-Fi accessing. At the same time, as legacy CS upgrade and access as MAGCF and become a pure build layer of MS, H3A accelerated the retirement of CS and cloudification of their network, hence to reduce future network investment and greatly improve operation efficiency. Next case is for converged messaging. For many years, customers consumed a very typical set of messaging service. It is the right time to introduce a unified IP message hub for multimedia-based messaging. In ZTE converged 5G MC solution, access-based multimedia message or instant message interworking with legacy short message is also available, hence to attract more application scenarios besides legacy text-based message. In the 5G MC use case in China Mobile, a simplified MS call will work as a SIP proxy for the new build 5G short messaging system based on ZTE CMA to enable content-based multimedia messaging and interworking. With the implementation of the new 5G messaging center, message IoT between access client and native client become possible, and message will be delivered to end user in a more content-rich way, such as broadcast of alert messaging, including display of visible image or video clips during emergency. And we are looking forward to more content-based messaging application will come in the future. Okay, that's all for this session. By 2020, ZTE's MS solution are working empowering more than 116 networks of our customers in today's competitive and rapid changing communication marketplace. By working with ZTE MS team, our partners are realizing the full economic, operational, and technical benefits of becoming cloud-based and software-centric, and moving their MS to beyond a voice-focused network. Thank you.